I've got a Tarte Mystery Box, so if you want to check it out, see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit and Dexter, well, Dexter's coming back and forth into this room, but they're in the other room. Chloe's still at school, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, hauls, Dollar Tree collabs, fashion, a little bit of everything here. So if you're into those kinds of things, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I got the Tarte Mystery Box, but first I want to share some friend mail. I'm not great about sharing friend mail. I always appreciate it, but I sometimes forget to bring it out. So I did get, looks like a St. Patrick's Day card from my friend Erlene. She has a channel, Erlene S. Go check her out, give her a little love. And I can see some stickers falling out. She's so good. She always sends out for the holidays. I am terrible about getting cards out. I don't even get them out to my own family. I'll have birthday cards that I've purchased for the past 3 years for my niece and nephew, and I just send them the gift, usually through like whatever store it is, gets direct mail. Then I forget to send out the cards. I'm terrible with that. But we have some little stickers here. Got a little gold coin. And then these little cardboard cutouts. That was super cute. And she's just wishing us all an amazing day, no matter how we celebrate it. Usually it is Shamrock Shakes. I don't typically do fast food, but once a year I do a Shamrock Shake. My go-to little pleasure, although we already had ours for this year, but who knows, we might get another one. All right, now let's get into this mystery box. Now, I love Tarte Cosmetics. I love that they're a cruelty-free brand. They have some very nice items, great eyeshadows, great lippies. So, love, if I can open it right, love the brand. So, was excited that they had a mystery box. I am always on the lookout for a good mystery box. I stalk certain sites to see, like Jeffree Star, to see if they have them. They didn't have any Valentine's ones, which usually they do, but this year nothing. They still have their Halloween ones on their site, so that makes me a little concerned about the brand and what's happening over there. But anyway, I do stalk them. If anybody knows of any great mystery boxes, let me know and I will get it. Sometimes though, by the time I get it in, it is already sold out. So I don't know if that's the case for this particular one, but a little packet here. So I knew that there would be some lippies in here and I was super excited. So first we have their Maracuja Juicy Lip Vinyl, and this is in, hold on, this is in the shade Shimmering Rose. And here's Dexter. He needs a little lovin's. You little lovin's. Been going all day. Dexter is about 12 and a half, I would say. He was our neighbor's cat, but when our neighbor moved, he knew that my daughter loved him so much. He had become an outside cat at that point because of some behavioral issues he had at their house, and asked if we would like to take him in. He didn't feel like Dexter would do well in their new location. And he is now a very pampered kitty. He loves Chloe, and he is a sweet boy. He loves people's, He gives kisses, he gives hugs, and he is an indoor exclusive cat with a litter robot for litter box and a fountain for his water. So he's living quite the spoiled life now. And he is, you're the best kitty, huh? Yes, you are. Doesn't really care for the other animals. Has beat Bandit up a couple of times. I'm not going to lie. But he might just be a little scared still. Even though Bandit could care less about any other animal and doesn't harass him in any way, he's still, you don't know if you want to like him, huh? He's a good boy too. All right, but back to this lip vinyl. Dexter has taken over the box. I had to take everything out. So there is the shade. I'm not going to test this because I don't know if I have this or not. I have several of these shades and love them, but they do last for a very long time. So I'm going to put this one aside. If I can find the other one, I will swatch it and just put that in a little space there. If not, I'll swatch this one and put it in the space. Next, we have in the same line, there's Juicy Shift. So instead of the lip vinyl, and this is in the shade CEO. This is apparently maybe a collab with somebody named Maureen, because it says XO Maureen. So it's a light pink now, but I'm going to guess that it's going to have like a pH kind of shift. Next, we have their Man-Eater liquid eyeliner, and this is going to be in black. I love their mascara from this line. All right, it's going to be a nice fine tip. We have a brush, beautiful, beautiful brush. Scott, I would use this probably as a foundation brush. We have the Man-Eater Blush and Glow Cheek Plump in the shade Raspberry. All right, and then I've rubbed it in some, so it's much, much lighter once you rub. Next, now I have never seen this line, so I don't know if it's new, but this is their Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. And it says that the Amazonian clay is going to nourish. Plant waxes boost volume and length. Okay. That is what the wand is going to look like. And it has a little before and after. And it kind of feels like bamboo. It might be plastic made to look like bamboo, but kind of feels a little bit like bamboo. Then we have, now I thought this was going to be a palette. It's not, it's lashes. I don't do fake lashes. I'm just not skilled with them, and oftentimes they're just longer than I would do, like those are. Like that's just far more than I would feel like I could. And then we have a blush and glow tape. So the blush tape is in the shade Pink. All right, and it shows you put a few dots on. And the glow tape is in Golden Glow. So I know I don't have this particular shade. So you have this nice pristine little top, which won't be pristine for long. You're going to open it up, and then you're going to squeeze some out, and you'll see it start to kind of come. So you can see how a little bit's going to go a long way. Then we have some samples of their Juicy Multi-Stick. So this would be cheek and lip color. And a little coupon for 20% off. It does talk about how Tarte gives back. Giving back has been the core of our values since Tarte started in '99. We love supporting causes close to our hearts like female empowerment, building communities, environmental conservancy, animal rescue, disaster relief, and health and wellness initiatives. That's why we donate 1% of all USTarte.com orders to a nonprofit of your choice at checkout every day. Oh, Maureen is the, okay, they have that XO Maureen. That's the CEO and founder. So, all right, I'm going to go take a quick look for what shade I have in this, as well as the lip vinyl that I have handy, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I do have the blush tape to show you. Okay, so there is how that looked. It turns out I had no lip vinyls, so I have the lip oil, I have the lip plump, I have the lip shimmer, I think it was, but no lip vinyl. So let's take a look at this. All right, so that's it right there. And here is that PH1, which has changed a little bit. It's become like a deeper pink, but that lip vinyl is really nice. I love that color. Okay, so that is my mystery box. I think it was a really good one. I think if you like the Tarte brand, you like their line, I think you're gonna love this. I think this would be a great thing. Keep your eyes out. I saw it advertised on Instagram and ordered it immediately. And I think, you know, there's definitely bang for your buck in this. But let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite product? All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And at the end of this, there will be a playlist. Click on that. Make sure you've watched and commented on all the videos, because in one of them, I talk about my 1.5K subscriber give back, which is going to end at the end of March, with April being the announcement of my winner. In one of my add-on, Ipsy add-on videos, it's the yellow and black thumbnail. I do actually pack the bag, so you're going to want to see that if you want to see what you might be able to get gifted. And that's totally from me to one of you, and has nothing to do with YouTube or any other brand discussed. All right, well, thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.